I checked out SysFi DAO, and honestly, it seems like an interesting platform, but it's not without its quirks. The main idea is appealing. It's a no-code blockchain tool aimed at making decentralized finance projects and DIOs more accessible to people without technical expertise. In theory, that's huge, because blockchain development can be intimidating and expensive for newcomers. The platform offers templates, drag-and-drop interfaces, and pre-built smart contracts, which could save a lot of time for small teams or individual creators. The website looks sleek, and the user flow feels modern, almost like a polished SaaS tool rather than a typical crypto platform. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. Real user feedback is limited, and the product is relatively new in 2025, so long-term reliability and security haven't been fully proven yet. Some of the features sound promising, but without actual case studies or independent audits, it's hard to know how it performs under real-world conditions. Overall, if you're curious about experimenting with no-code blockchain tools or starting a small DIO without coding skills, SysFi DAO could be worth exploring. Just temper expectations, proceed cautiously, and remember that no platform is a shortcut for proper security and planning in the blockchain world.